I will be showing us how to take proper measurement. You have to follow it well, because the truth is, what you measure, if you get the measurement right, then you will get the cutting right. So measuring a cloth is very important. So in this video, I will be showing you how to take a proper measurement. And I would like to say very big thanks to my friend here, who will make everything easy for me. So watch me carefully, follow me carefully as I do the measurements. Thank you very much. So, like as I was saying, when I want to do my measurement, I'll start with the shoulder. I'll place my tape rule here. I'll take it down. Like this dress is wearing now, the length is 32. If you want the dress to still go down, you extend your rule. There is the on top knee measurement, and there is the after knee measurement. But for this one, we are going to use exactly this one is wearing. The length here is 32. Then you write that one down. Then the next thing to measure is the shoulder. The shoulder. You will measure, look at the armpit here. You will use your hand to follow it to this point. Look at the armpit here. You will use your hand to follow it to this point. So you are going to measure from this left side to the right side. You will place your tape rule here. Take it across. From the armpit here, where it stops, you write it down. Shoulder 17.5. You understand? Then, from this point, you bring your tape, drag your tape down. From that point, where the shoulder ends, you take it to the muzzle. The muzzle point here is 9. You take it to the elbow. The elbow here is 14. You take it to the cuff. The cuff here is 21. Then you take it down. Some people like their sleeve to be so long. If the sleeve is long, make sure here will be free. So the normal measurement here is 24, but depends on the person who wants to wear. You can extend your tape if you so wish. But for this tutorial, we are ending at 24. So after measuring the sleeve, you will come back here. You will measure the muzzle area, the circumference. Whatever it gives you, you will write it down. Like this one is 13. You write it down. You come down to the elbow. You fold the elbow like this, not so tight. Then you measure the circumference of the elbow. Make sure you place your tape on this joint here. Use your finger in between the elbow bone and the tape. It will be loose at this side. Whatever it gives you, write it down. In case of this tutorial, the elbow is 13. Then you come down here to the cuff. The cuff. This cuff area should be free. So it should be free. The cuff area should be free. Therefore, the cuff here, not so tight, not so free. I'm using cuff 9 3/4. 9 3/4. You understand? You also write that down. Then after writing that down, the next thing to measure is the chest. You will take your tape rule, you will pass it round. You will raise the hand a bit like this. You pass the tape round. First of all, the tape should not be loose. Then you will look at the number you have there, 37. If you use this, look at it, no much space. It's 37. If you use this one to sew the cloth, the person will not be able to wear the cloth. So you will add some space, not too much, like 1.5 this way, want to have this way. Meaning, if you add 3 inches to the 37 here, you have 40. You extend your hand to 40. Like this. Like this. Look at the space. The allowance here. Look at it. Hope you are seeing it. But if the person is a type that like all this, you come down to 39. So the chest here is 39. Another place to measure is the belly. You come to the belly. So long this place is 39, you come to the belly, you reduce a bit, you remove like an inch. The belly here will give you 38. Another place to measure is the hip. Hip, some people call it seat. This place, you make it free. So long, some body figure, so long here is 39, you add like 3 inches to it. It gives you what? It gives you 42. You know, because this area should be free. 42. So let me go again, let me repeat. You measure the length, you measure the shoulder, you measure the sleeve. The sleeve, remember to measure the muzzle, the elbow, and the cuff. Then you have the chest, the round chest. You have the belly, the round belly. Then you have the hip, the round hip. So now I'm going to show you how I do my measurement, how I measure trouser. I will also use my friend to show you. Please help me raise the cloth up. So this is the body, the trouser. Like my friend, like a pencil trouser. He likes a pencil trouser. You understand? With this measurement I'm going to show you, you need to measure any kind of trouser. If it's palazzo, if it's pants, any kind of trouser you want. You can follow, use this measurement. It gives you a proper cut, a proper flap, everywhere well laid out. So watch as I show us how to measure the trouser. So even though the person is wearing that, just take your tape rule, pass it round under the belt. Just pass it round under the belt. Not so tight. What we have here is 33 inches. So the waist, the first place to measure is the waist, 33 inches. You measure the 33. Then you use the tape to pass on top the belt. You know the first one under the belt. On top of the belt is the same 33. So the waist is 33. Now the next place to measure is the seat or the hip. You use your tape to pass the biggest part of the buttocks to the front here. Pass it round. Not so tight and not so loose. What I have here is 39. Write it down. After measuring the seat, the next place to measure is what? Your length. You understand? From where the waist starts, you put your tape rule. If in the case of the pants, you take it down to this ankle here, and it gives you 38. This ankle, look at it here. The length is 38. Then the next place to measure is the lap. You use your tape rule to pass the lap. The highest part of the lap, the thigh. You measure it not too tight, not too loose. What I have here is 25. You must remember to measure your lap. Then the next place to measure is the half of the length. Half of the length. Like now, the trouser is 38. 38. When you divide 38, it's 19. This is the half length. Now you are going to measure the circumference of this place. You come here, you measure the circumference. Not too tight, not too loose. The round of the knee here, the half of the length is 18. Another important place you measure is the calf. You come to this place here, the calf. You measure the calf. Not so tight, not so loose. What you have here is 15. Then the next place to measure is the bottom. You know, in case of somebody that is tall, please use 13.5, because if the bottom is too tight, there's no way you can wear the trouser. So use 13.5. It will still give you that pen shape. You understand? So these are the places you measure in a trouser. And with this measurement is what you use to cut. You understand? So if you have any question or you did not understand anything, you can watch the video again. If you have any question, you can go to the comment section and drop your comment there. Subscribe to the channel. Anything, just go to the comment section and drop your comment there. Okay? So thank you for watching our video. This is a Sareto sewing workshop. Thank you.